Welcome back to the channel, guys, or back to the yard. My fan is kind of loud, so I don't know. Hopefully you can hear me good. All right, now we were going to start on putting these seats in, right? Yeah, we were going to start putting these in, but I decided let's not do that. Now, let's not do that. Let's do the fenders instead. Yeah, you see? Let's do the fenders instead. Let's get these ugly things off of here. I think I'm gonna drop this bumper as well. I think I'm gonna drop this bumper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna drop the bumper. Yeah, start with this bolt right here. Pretty sure that's what holding it on. Let's see what size that is. I don't think I have it. Well, probably got it in my truck. Don't think I got it in my bag right here. No. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. I'm gonna be cutting the camera, bringing it back on, cutting it, you know what I mean? Because I don't have much space. So for right now, I'm going to get my tools, then we can get started, okay? Yeah. Okay, we got our drill. Yeah. So we got to unscrew this, you see? Get it back in there like that. And make it do what it do, you see? Oh, Jesus. Okay. Got it off. Pull the screw out, you see? Careful not to cut yourself, because it's very easy to cut yourself on this. Okay. Now, oh Lord, I didn't know that was hooked. So we got loose knees down here too, those screws. Got loose knees. Okay. And pull this up. You don't have to. I might just drop it on down. Let's see. On the other side. Other side over here. Okay. I guess there you have it. Yeah. There you have it. Gotta put one of them rubber things on here. Missing that. It's over here. So we gotta get one of these for that side. Guess I gotta go to LKQ and find that. Shouldn't be no problem finding that. Yeah. Shouldn't be no problem at all finding that. So now we can start loosening this fender. Shouldn't be too hard to do. What is that? A 10 mil. Let's see if we can find one of these that can fit that. I don't think I got one. Oh no. made strong. That's a 10 mil. Yeah. It's a 10 mil, you see. And let's look in here. You see if we can find. It's gonna be super hot today. That's why I brought out the big fan. Yeah. Brought out the big fan today. For the heat and for the mosquitoes. Yeah. It's for the heat and for the mosquitoes. You see? I really gotta keep my receipts from LKQ because I got a couple of fenders I gotta take back to LKQ to get that $8 a piece for them. You know? But that's more than what you'll get from any scrap yard. So yeah. So we gotta do that, you see. Gotta keep the receipts. What am I looking for? Alright guys. Gotta cut the camera again. Alright, got the drill. Got the 10 mil on there. So let's take this fender off. Yeah. This one I already got. Kind of getting loosed already. Alright. Yeah. One up here on the top. I gotta put this thing on. Gotta put it on rough so it can kick in. Guess that ain't good enough either, huh? Let's go to 10. Okay. 10 got it. Okay. Right here. Another one. There you go. Yeah. One up here. Okay. Easy so far. Easy fender. I ain't put this thing on so long. I don't even know. I don't remember. But I think that's it. No, we got two at the bottom. Okay. That over there. I think we got two down here. Do we? Okay. Alright. Okay. Got one or two down here. It's two. I know this, but the next question. See no there. I don't want to kneel on the ground right now. Hold on, guys. Bear with me. I think we got it. horse nest back up in here. They're gonna bite my face off. Something is holding under there. Hold on. I don't want to kneel on the ground right now. Let's go to the trailer. I usually grab that, but I got some stuff in it right now. Let's see. Don't want to mess this stuff up. We need that. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see what's holding us up under here. I don't see anything holding us up. The screw is out. That goes right there. So, guess we just gotta pull it off. Watch out. Black widows and all kinds of stuff under here. Could be under here. Let me say it that way. I don't know what's holding it on. Washer. What's holding it up? Oh, I see. I see what's holding it up. Stupid thing right here. I had my homemade tool to loosen this. Can't find it lately. Ever since I was working on that. Ever since we were working on that Ford Flex back there, I misplaced it. Oh Lord. Lord have mercy. I don't know what happened, guys. I thought some kind of wasp or something fly on me. I don't know what that was. So embarrassing, but I might edit that out. I don't know. Yeah, I might edit that out. It's embarrassing. See? It's embarrassing, you see? One raggedy fender off. One raggedy fender is off. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on the other side. Hopefully we don't find any true creepy crawlers over here. One of our lights right here. I'll sit it up here. Can't hurt. Alright. Oh, I gotta move the fan. The sun is heating up. Gotta move the fan. The sun is heating up badly. Okay. Okay, we're on this side, passenger side now. Alright, loosen most of the screws, but still gotta get this stuff right here. Stuff right here, this thing right here. Okay. I wish I had that tool, my special made tool. I used that. Don't know where that since we were working on the Ford Flex. I really need to go back there and find it, you see, because I know it's back there somewhere. Maybe I put it in the inside of the truck, guys. Maybe that's what I did. I really should go look. Okay. Alright, I think that's good. So we can grab them with the needle nose right here. Okay. It's one. Watch out because could have some wasp nests in here. Don't want that. It'll seem like they find anything that was sitting and make a nest in there, you know? Seems like that's what they do. I know I've seen some on the back end of the truck. Lord, come on. Oh, Jesus. Lord. Okay. There you have it. Both fenders are off. Really need cleaning up under here, but I don't know if I'm gonna worry about that. I don't know if I'm gonna worry about that, guys. See, I don't know why. I should worry about that. It's up under the hood, for goodness sakes. It's always gonna be dirty, right? It's always gonna be dirty. Jesus. Okay, I don't see any wasp nests as of yet. I think I'm gonna take the water hose and blow that out of there, in that hole in there. Yeah, not right now, but when we get close to the end, I guess. But bro, if I do that, the fenders will be on. I gotta do it while the fenders are off, right? Yeah, not really. I can open up here and do it. I can move this cow and spray it out. Yeah, that's what I can do. You see, when I put the window wiper motor back in there, that's what we can do. Okay. Jesus, something in my throat. Yeah, so I'm gonna get the fender and we're gonna put both of them on, or at least one of them on. We'll see. There you have it. Got the fender on. Now we gotta bolt it up. Nice fit, right? Looks good. This is why you have to find the color when you go buy these things. Don't just get the crap with me. Hey, these things are all over the place. Stupid wasps. Yeah, but you gotta find the color that matches your vehicle. Don't just buy any color. Yeah? Trust me. I've lost lots of money doing that. I don't do it anymore. You know? I don't do that anymore because you're just wasting money. Wasting money that you can't get back because you're not going to be able to sell it one in good, but not too snug. I think. What's going on here? Screw's not long enough. I wasn't even looking to see if it had a different screw right here or not. Hold on, I think the different screw goes here. Now this screw goes there, but we got it, so we'll put it on there. I doubt this is the one, but fits perfect. Fits perfect. Doubt that's the one, but fits perfect. So guess what? He's a keeper. Man, I hope that bird crap comes off right there and not take the paint off with it. I don't know how that got on there. Just shouldn't have to force it. Why am I forcing it? There we go. Why did I have to do that? Shouldn't have to force anything on here. Should just go in place easily. If you gotta force it, then something ain't right. Right? If you gotta force it, something ain't right. Should never have to force it. Let's see. Should never have to force it. Oh man, something ain't right here. Something ain't right. Alright guys, I gotta check this out. Something ain't right here. Alright guys, we got that fender on. Looks pretty good. But we had a problem down here. If you can look at it and see it, it's still a little bent, but got it pretty straightened, and the gaps are good. The gaps are real good. Yeah, the gaps are good. So now got to go to the other side and see what's cracking. Yeah. Gotta come on this side and do the same, you know? That means gotta move the fan back over because it is hot out here. Let me tell you. It's burning up already and it's not even 10, 11 o'clock. Oh, Lord. Let's get to it. Okay. Let's get to it. There you have it. Have both fenders on now. Okay. I'm pretty sure this is the same white. You know, some whites are brighter and some are... I pray this is the same white. Gotta clean it up though to see for sure. Right now it looks pretty good. Okay. Looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna hold off on this bumper think I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna leave it off for a while. But we gotta make sure everything in here is right. And I think I'm gonna just take it fully off and just put it to the side. You see? That's what I think I'm gonna do. Oh, just stranger. Come on, don't play with me. I hate these little clips. Come off. I'm gonna have to cut you off. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna need you later. I'm gonna have to make another one of them tools. I think I'm gonna have to make another one. This one, I'm gonna have to cut this off. There you go. See that? Oh my God. I cut it off, and guess what, guys? I didn't really need to do that because it was already off its. I forgot I had to unscrew those screws right there to get this fully off. You see? Forgot about that. Definitely gonna take the bumper fully off though. Let's see what I got. Which one was it? The one that we use. Oh, we're just strangers. Head over here. Can't wait the winter come back. So tired of summer. So tired of summer, I tell you. Can't wait the winter come back. Summer can go somewhere. Tell you that right now. Summer can go somewhere. Had enough of something. So these bugs can retreat. And these snakes and all kind of stupid animals. Sorry for calling animals stupid, but some of them are. See? They bother me too much. So, okay. We might need a new one of these as well, guys. And the inner fender. We might need a new one of those. That's the way it's looking. That is the way it is looking like we're going to need a new one. This looks pretty bad. They don't cost a lot of money, so I think you might as well buy another one. There you have it. The fender, the bumper is completely off now, so I'm gonna put that to the side somewhere. That's gonna be that. Put these screws back in the holes where they belong. Picking up my hand. Okay, yeah, right there. These screws back into places where they belong because what is this camera doing? Come on, follow my hand. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the bumper off for a while. Get all this other stuff straightened, and then we'll be good to go, you see. We might pick another one of these up, I don't know. I'm not sure. They can fix this the way it is, but I think these things cost what, $7? Or maybe they were 7, but I think they raised the price on them. I'm not sure, so even 7 or 14, one out of two. Either or, it's pretty good, I think. So if they're $14, I will be picking up another one of these. $7, I definitely will be picking one up. You see? But still got a lot of work to do on this truck, SUV, whatever you want to call it. Let's pick the bumper up here. I'm gonna take it and put it up there like that. Can't hurt. I think my camera tripping, guys. Yeah. So yeah. Looking better already. All white now. Get these stupid gray fenders off of here. Ugly and stupid. Okay. Both sides straight now. Headlights right here. Ugly headlights. I can buy a new pair off eBay for very cheap. So we might be going with those. I don't know. Gotta see. Yeah. We gotta see. Because this looks so dull like that, and it does look dull. You know, it look dull. So we can find a cleaner one. Look, trust me, LKQ don't have many cleans. They are not clean. They're dirty and ugly. But I think I made that mistake again just by buying this, because I really don't like the way it looks. So you may say, why did you bought it? Again, I should listen to myself. Same thing I told you guys. Don't buy things. Don't buy things if you know you're going to end up replacing it anyways, right? So I think I should listen to my own advice, right? Yeah, I should listen to my own advice. Should I leave those lights in there like that without even hooking it up? I'm not sure, because I'm gonna have to come back and do it. So let's check it out. I think lock in there. It's locked in. Tell me. This light right here. These lights, I don't know how good they are, but I do know the burnt one I got on this trailer over here Gotta watch out because probably got some more nests over here. This one. The burnt one. See that? There's my camera picking it up. Now, see that? Burnt ones. I know they should have good lights in here. Yeah. See that? This bulb should have less than 60,000 miles of use on it. So we're gonna change them out. That's what we're going to do. We'll put this one to the side somewhere. We're gonna put the one I think should be good. In here. What am I doing wrong? Doing this with one hand sucks. Yes. Just because I'm doing it with one hand. Certainly is. Wait a minute. That's why. They had two of the stupid rubber gaskets around it. That one. Now, perfect. It's on there. Cap back on. That one. Let's do this one. Oh, crap. Oh, man, I don't know. I might have to take the cap off of it. I might have to use this cap. Right up. Yeah. I have to use this one from the burnt one because I broke the little tab on this one. Broke the little tab on it, so let's get it off of there. Why is this thing acting crazy? Lord. Okay. Should be the good one right here. Turn it to the side like so. These very well might be good too. That one looks really good. So we'll keep them. We'll keep them, but I just rather use the one that was in the light that was on this truck. Okay. Let's see how you put this up. I think that's how it goes. Locked. And how about this one right here? Let's do it on the one that's broken first. We don't want to mess nothing up. Okay. Oh no. No. No, we don't. Oh, that's just like a plug. So don't want to touch that one. But this one we can. It's a little mini one. Okay, just pull that right out of the socket like that. Stick this one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Working with one hand, guys. So stick this one in there like so. Put it back in there and twist it. And we got another one, right? Yeah. Got this one. It's another one. Pull that out. Same. See? One's like this. Okay. Now, it's in and we're good. We're good. Okay, let's find. It's not this one. That goes somewhere else. It's this one. Yes. Okay. Plug it in there. Working with one hand here, so work with me. There we go. Alright. Got it plugged in. Now, let's drop it in place.